Hello students, now we discuss if the differential equation is not in the homogeneous form, then we first reduce to homogeneous form, then use the procedure for homogeneous differential equation, right? Sometimes the differential equation is not in the homogeneous form and we reduce it to homogeneous form, then find the solution, right? It is of the form dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a2x plus b2y plus c2. It has two cases. Case 1, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Case 2, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In the case 1, what will be the procedure? Procedure for case 1, procedure for case 1. Put z is equals to a1x plus b1y or z is equal to a2x plus b2y. Either you put a1x plus b1y equal to z or put a2x plus b2y equal to z, provided that there will be no same common from c1 c2. जदि c1 c2 कॉमन आसिले c1 ରୁ कॉमन आसिले बा c2 ରୁ कॉमन आसिले तळ ऊपर सेम आसुथबो ताले वी सब्स्टिट्यूट टोटली a1x plus b1y plus c1 or a2x plus b2y plus c2. If there is no common from c1 and c2, then it will be z equal to this part or this part, right? From this we find dy by dx and put the value of dy by dx here and the equation completely in the form of z. एठिरु dy by dx रो वैल्यू z फॉर्म को dz by dx रो फॉर्म को आसी जिवो, राइट साइड रे कंप्लीटली z फॉर्म को आसी जिवो. Then we separate the z and x from each other and integrate to find the solution, right? So this is the case 1 procedure. Come to one example for case 1. Solve dy by dx equal to x plus y minus 1 by 2x plus 2y plus 3. Look at what is a1 by a2? 1 by 2. What is b1 by b2? 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to 1 by 2. So this case 1 is applicable. Then which one will be substituted? Look at dy by dx equal to x plus y minus 1 by 2 into x plus y plus 3. Now this will be substituted. X plus y will be taken as z. Let z is equal to x plus y dz by dx equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Then what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to dz by dx minus 1. dz by dx minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx. So we substitute dy by dx as dz by dx minus 1. dy by dx, for dy by dx we write dz by dx minus 1 and for x plus y we write z. Now this equation 1 reduces to equation 1 reduces to dz by dx minus 1. dy by dx value dz by dx minus 1. Right side z minus 1 by 2z plus 3. Right? Then what is dz by dx? dz by dx equal to 1 plus z minus 1 by 2z plus 3. 2z plus 3 will be LCM. Here 2z plus 3 plus z minus 1. It is 3z plus 2 by 2z plus 3. This is the value of dz by dx. Right? This is the value of dz by dx. Now we separate the variables. Then what will be dx? Look into this. Dx is equals to 2z plus 3 by 3z plus 2 into dz. Now we upper and lower have the same degree. Upper 2z plus 3 is 1 degree term, 3z plus 2 is 1 degree. So linear form. So balance numerator using denominator. Balance numerator using denominator. Dx integration is x. X plus c is equals to. Here is 3z plus 2. We will write 3z plus 2 in the numerator. Balance numerator using denominator. So 3z plus 2 per likhe. Then we want to multiply to make it 2z. 3z. If we multiply 2 by 3, 3 cancel, it will be 2z. Balance. So we multiply 2 by 3 into 3z plus 3. This is 4 by 3. It will be minus. And this is plus 3. 3 minus 4 by 3 into dz. So x plus c equals to 2 by 3 into 3z plus 2 by 3z plus 2 into dz plus this is 3. 9 minus 4 by 3 means 5 by 5. 3. 5 by 3 into dz by 3z plus 2. Right? Implies x plus c is equal to 2 by 3. Integration of dz is z plus 5 by 3 into 1 by 3 log of 3z plus 2. This. Why this? Because integration of dx by ax plus b equal to 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Dx by ax plus b is 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. So 1 dz by 3z plus 2. Here a is 3. So 1 by 3 log of 3z plus 2. Now what is the value of z? Z is x plus y. Now to avoid the fraction, multiply 9 is done. 9 is done. 9x, because here is 9, 3 into 3 9. 9x plus 9c, it will be 6z. How it will be 6z? If you multiply 9, 9, 3 will be cancelled. 3 into 3 6. 6z plus 5 into log of 3z plus 2 plus 2 implies 9x plus 9c is another constant, take it c1 is equal to 6 into x plus y plus 5 into log of 3x plus 3y plus 2 and 6x, here is 9x will be balanced, implies 6x minus 9x, 6y minus 3x plus 5 into log of 3x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to C1. This is the general form of the solution of the differential equation for the case 1. Right? Come to case 2. Procedure for case 2. Look at dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. a2x plus b2y plus c2. Here case 1 is what? a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Then what are the steps? How to solve? First bit, put small x is equal to capital X plus x, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, such that d small y by dx equal to d capital Y by dx. Now after simplification, put a1x plus b1k plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2k plus c2 is equal to 0 to find h and k. To find to find h and k. To find h and k, right? Now, third step. Now solve dy by dx, d capital Y by dx is equal to a1x plus b1y divided by a2x plus b2y. Why? The rest term will be equal to 0. We put this equal to 0 and it will be clear from one example. Come to example. dy by dx, solve dy by dx is equal to 2x plus y minus 3 by x plus 2y minus 3. Look at a1 by a2 is 2 by 1, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 1 is equals to 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. First step, we put what? We put for small x is x plus x, small y is capital Y plus k, and small dy by dx will be d of capital dy by dx. Right? So this is reduces to d capital Y by dx is equal to 2 into small x by capital X plus x, okay, plus capital Y plus k minus 3 by capital X plus x plus 2 into capital Y plus k minus 3. Then what is d capital Y by dx is equal to 2x plus y plus, here is 2x plus k minus 3 divided by x plus 2y plus x plus 2k minus 3. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Now, which factor will be equal to 0? Look at, come to the second step. This factor will be taken as 0 to make it homogeneous form. Now putting 2x plus k minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2k minus 3 equal to 0. You solve it. Multiply 2 here, 2x will be cancelled, and finally they get k is equals to 1 and h is equals to 1. Remember that you solve this equation and you can get the value of h and k. Multiplying 2 in the second equation, 2x will be cancelled and the value of k will be determined. Putting k, you will also get the value of h and hk will be equals to 1, 1. Right? Equation 2 reduces to what? D capital Y by dx is equal to 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. Right? Now you put what it is reduces to which form? It is reduces to homogeneous form, case 1 form. So put y is equals to vx. Let y is equals to v into capital X. Then d capital Y by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. We put y is equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now dy by dx will be equal to v plus x into dv by dx. V plus x into dv by dx, that is equal to 2x plus y. Y is what? Y equal to vx divided by x plus 2vx. X common, x into 2 plus v by x into 1 plus 2v. X cancel. So v plus x into dv by dx equal to v plus 2 by 2v plus 1. Now x by dx into dv is equal to v plus 2 by 2v plus 1 minus v. You take 2v plus 1 LCM. It is v plus 2 minus 2v square minus v cancel. Now 2 into 1 minus v square by 2v plus 1 will be taken to the dv. So it will be 2v plus 1 divided by 1 minus v square equal to 2 into dx by x. 2 common, dx by x will be to the right side and the v will be completely come to the dv. Now we both sides integrate. 2b by v square minus 1, take it minus common, and minus of dv by v square minus 1, it is 2 log x plus log of c. As it is in the logarithm form, so c should be, constant should be in the logarithm form. And here, if you take z, denominator, it will be dz. So minus dz by z means log z, minus of log v square minus 1 minus, here is dx by x square minus a square, dx by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, 1 by 2 into 1 log of v minus 1 by v plus 1, and it is log of cx square, capital X, cx square, log x square plus log c, so it will be log cx square. Now put for v we write minus of log of v square minus 1 into plus log of v minus 1 by v plus 1 to the power half. This is equal to log of cx square. Log of cx square minus implies minus log of v square minus 1 into v minus 1 root of by v plus 1 to the power half is equal to log of cx. If you take minus to the upper, it will be minus 1 and logarithm will be cancelled from both sides, and it is v plus 1 into v minus 1 into v minus 1 to the power half by v plus 1 to the power half is equal to cx. Avoiding logarithm from both sides, right? V plus 1 the factor will be cancelled, so it is root over of v plus 1 and v minus 1 to the power half is equal to cx to the power 3 by 2, 1 plus half, 3 by 2, right? What will be put in the place of v? V is what? Here you put the value of v as capital Y by x, capital Y by x. What is capital Y? Small y minus k by capital X, small x minus x. And you get the value of h and k as 1. So it will be y minus 1 by x minus 1. So in place of v, you write y minus 1 by x, y plus x minus 1. And in place of x, you write x minus 1. Small capital X will be replaced as x minus 1. Finally, you get the value of the answer of the given equations. Right? This is all about the differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. Thanks.